Uyu ni Gerard Sumba, mundurume wa ukuru wa miaka 31, uria ni abithaa wa borithi, agicũranio ritu wa mbara iria tungitio ni muingi, o riri arathie na mbere na kwamukira urigitani thibitari-ini wa Coast General Teaching and Referral.
He was stamped on the back, on the left, this part, the left part of the hand, the back, and he was also attacked on the head and the forehead, and of course the left arm, which got a fracture.
Sumba uri urutagira wira ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Tononoka mwena wa Mombatha atigitwo na nguraro njuru thutha wa gutharikirwo ni aikaria mwena wa Kibokoni guku kaunti-ini ya Mombatha, makiuga ni amahahithitie kuigana ni undu wa kwaga kwihumba irembeko cia gukunika kanua na maniuru.
Tuna condemn incident ya wananchi kuchukua sheria mikononi mwao na kumpiga afisa wa polisi kwa shutuma zile ambazo walikuwa wako nazo.
Let the members of the public know that the police is there to serve them. Without the police, I tell you them, they will not have peace.
Abithaa uyu wa borithi arari hamwe na murunawe uria urahotire gwithara na kwirisha mbara oteno. Giko giki gikimenererio na njira nene ni ruhonge rwa wathani o undu umwe na ateteri ihoto cia muingi kuma gicigo-ini giki.
Tunasema ikiwa polisi ana makosa, basi mchukueni, mshikeni, mumpeleke paka katika station ambayo iko karibu ili aweze kuchukuliwa ama hatua za kisheria zinaweza kuchukuliwa.
Let the members of the public not take the law into their hands to attack our police officers and then bring out the context that they are asking for wearing of mask and other minor issues.
Ndumiriri-ini yake kuri nyumba cia mohoro, Ann Makori uria niwe muikariri giti wa ruhonge rwa kunyabara mirutire ya wira ya maabithaa borithi-ini rwa IPOA, akinyiriirie ciiko ta ici itikuheo mweke amu ni Mugaru na watho, akienda Akenya marumagirire mitaratara iria yagiriire riria ihoto ciao ciagararwo.
We know Kibokoni, most of the area is covered by CCTVs. I think that one will help us to be able to identify those persons who perpetrated this act.
Maya mokite o riri ruhonge ruru rwa IPOA rukoretwo na ihinda iritu guthuthuria ciiko cia maabithaa a borithi kuhuthira hinya mukiruku riria marathingatithia mikaana iria igathikitwo ni thirikari kuhetukira ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ya guteithiriria ari kuhotomia gutherema gwa king'uki gia COVID-19. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Muiruri wa Kang'ara.